Okay. Let me put my glasses on here for just a second. I've got your papers, and I'm going to go through them one by one and put them up here. We have a little stack here from each of our participants. So this first one says, when asked, um, what are your concerns about this change? We have finding an agency for Jack and Carlene. Let's put that up here. We have open communication for all parties. We have a successful move for Jack. And let's put this up here. An agency to meet all the family's needs. So we'll put this up here, finding an agency. Let's put that up here. Okay. Alrighty. Effective transition for Jack. So here with the successful move for Jack. Let's put that up here. Alrighty. Successful transition to a new agency. Transition agency. Yeah? Up here. Okay, good. Full-time employment for Carlene. Okay, full-time employment for Carlene. Let's put that up here. And students and staff are supported. So Carlene being staff, students and staff being supported. Okay, I'll put that up here. And TSS and child to stay together. Yeah, okay. Successful transition, agency. So we need an agency for the TSS, for Carlene and the child to stay together. Yeah, it could be here or here. So let's put that up here for the agency. Okay, that's the right agency, right? Okay. So let's see. So I'm going to label these sections. Okay, so we have, this cluster is TSS and child staying together. So let's call that the smooth transition. No, let's call that the right agency. Okay, so I will label, here's a little in red, so it'll be a little easier to see. And so this group will be the right agency. We have a smooth transition, effective transition. Oops, let's grab that. So this one is successful move, effective transition. Let's call that a smooth transition. And let's see. Open communication for all parties, student and staff supported, full-time employment for Carlene. Let's move this. Open communication for all parties is Mom, Carlene, and for all parties related to Jack, student and staff. Let's put that student and staff. Student, we'll call that student and mom, and staff well supported. And worker and Jack stay together. Let's see. So in order for a worker and Jack to stay together, we need the right agency. So we'll actually call that, make sure that's identified in here. So let me just turn that a little bit. We'll take a look at these, and we see that we all are striving for the right agency. And I know we're all working, doing our part to find that right agency for Jack and Teresa and Carlene, so that the TSS and the child can stay together. And we all would value a smooth transition. And the student and staff being well supported. We all are feeling empathetic toward each other, that everyone gets well supported. I'm sure Kieran has needs for support from the people he's working with to make this happen. Would you say, Kieran? And you have that support, as you said, from Carlene to help find the right agency, from Teresa to give you a little breathing time to be able to help her well, and Jack. So what I think that we need to do, and we'll do that in just a few minutes, is unpack a few words. So we have, let's see, I noticed supported might have some different meanings. How you view support and what you need, Carlene, is different from what Teresa might need or say she needs. So we'll take a look at that in just a second. And the transition here, we all agree we'd like the transition to be smooth, and you know, what you might have your eyes on in terms of what the transition is might be a little bit different. So we're going to unpack that word as well. Okay, so we have a great start here. Finding the right agency, have it be a smooth transition, and everyone feel well supported. Jack and his mom and Carlene and Kieran being well supported in the ways I described. So excellent job. Just wonderful. Thank you all.